You just got $10 orders out the wazoo tonight. We got $10 even again. What's up with this $10 even action? For 13 miles. Look at this. $10 for 13.4 miles. Who is taking these orders? Yes, I'm talking to you, brand new Doordash driver. Why is you taking this? Are you in a jetpack? If you in a jetpack, I understand if you taking orders like this. But if you not in a jetpack and you don't got the teleporter fully charged, why is you taking this? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We in the old whip.
What?
This is the Ford Escape. This is the whip that I started my Doordash journey in. I started my channel in. I started everything in this whip. Food delivery, the gig economy.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
YouTube channel. We back to the basics, baby. We finna do Doordash for 1 hour. I got myself scheduled. Hold on. Let me go ahead, pop it open.
What?
I think I paused it, but let me make sure. Yep. We still in there. We got 25 minutes. I'm gonna be showing you guys every single thing that hit my phone tonight.
Stop the cap.
I didn't get no orders last night. Spoiler alert if you already seen yesterday's video. I was out for an hour, didn't get no orders.
Stop the cap.
Let's see if we gonna encounter something different tonight. We got a little bit of action right there, a little bit of redness. What is gonna be the first order? Let me know. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Stop playing with me. You see I'm leaving Walmart right now. I just got done making my actual money dealing with them. So now it's time to make some gas money. Come on, Doordash, what you got for me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As I'm sitting here at the traffic light, finally got my first offer. $6.50 for, what's that, 4.9 miles at Chick-fil-A. That is not a great offer. So yeah, we're not gonna be taking that. That's for damn sure. Matter of fact, let me pull over so I can look at this a little bit more. Wait 15 plus minutes to send me an order. Early 1-to-1 mile. Get this order out of here. No, Doordash, get that out of here. We're not taking that. I'm talking about you missed the delivery opportunity. Now, if I was, in the jetpack, maybe. If I had the jetpack, I'd do that 5 miles. I'm floating across traffic, cool. Old Doordash want to make you crash while you trying to get an order. Look at this, $6.50, 4.9 miles. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and leave it paused for like a minute just so somebody else can get that order. Can I count on you to make 20 bucks in 1 hour? I don't think that's unreasonable. I really don't. On the Doordash website, it say that you're gonna be able to make $25 an hour. That's what they say. Look at this. Look at all that redness. Why you gonna give me all this redness and no order? Come on now. What's going on? Nah, I swear, that looked like the same order. That literally looked like the same order. We got $6.50 for 4.3 miles. That last one said 5.9 miles, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, that's the exact same order. They talking about 4.3 now. Well, if I declined it then, I'm declining it now. No, Doordash, give me something that's not 4 miles away. If you want me to go 4 miles away, just go ahead and give me $8. Then we talking. But for $6.50, and I can't even get an add-on. So far, we've had 2 offers hit the phone. The exact same offer twice. $6.50 for what? 4.9 miles, and then $6.50 for 4.3 miles. I literally have drove through this traffic light right here that's directly in front of me. So my distance has not changed. How does the order go from $6.50 for 4.9 miles to $6.50 for 4.3 miles? That's flat out manipulation, Doordash, because my distance, since you sent me the first and the second, my distance has not changed. So the Chick-fil-A pick up and change locations, because I don't understand how the distance on this order didn't change. And I ain't moved, and ain't nobody moved, Doordash. Make it make sense. Come on now. $10 even for 10 miles even. This is absolutely crazy. Check it out. $10 for 10 miles. Firehouse subs. So there is a chance that you can get an add-on, It's a lot of highway miles on this one. Lots of highway. Check it out. Look, lots of highway miles. But, no, I'm trying to make money. I'm not trying to be out here wasting a whole hour to earn $10, but then to owe my gas tank $4. Like, thank you for the opportunity, Doordash, but no, I'm good. I'll leave it for one of these top platinum dashes. This is crazy. Look, $10 for 1 mile, Doordash. You know what? I'm going to keep it 100. If you want me to go 3 miles, I'll do $10 for 3 miles. You know what I'm saying? Maybe even 4 miles. But ain't no way I'm doing anything over 5 miles. Ain't no way I can't do nothing over 5 miles for $10. It just ain't enough. And the time that it take and the possibility that you're not going to get an add-on, no, I need it to be preferably $10 for 1 mile. But if you need to throw some miles on there, You just got $10 orders out the wazoo tonight. We got $10 even again. What's up with this $10 even action? For 13 miles. Look at this. $10 for 13.4 miles. Who is taking these orders? Yes, I'm talking to you, brand new Doordash driver. Why is you taking this? Are you in a jetpack? If you in a jetpack, I understand if you taking orders like this. But if you not in a jetpack and you don't got the teleporter fully charged, why is you taking this? My teleporter is on E. So I can't take this. The only way I'm taking $10 for 14 miles is if I'm teleporting or I got the jetpack. That's the only way. That's order number 3. Stop playing with me. Oh Lord, guys. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Look, we got 650 for 6.4 miles, y'all. I cannot make this up. Look, that's order number 4. I ain't playing no more. All right, we got another one, and guess what? It's just as bad as all the others. $7.75 upside down all the way around. 9.2 miles. Doordash, what are you thinking? What are you thinking, Doordash? Look, I don't depend on Doordash to make my money. So, you know, acceptance rate does not matter to me. It looks like I'm going down to 4. And they so dumb. Look, it's still talking about Top Dasher. It ain't even no Top Dasher program no more. But they don't mind tricking folks into thinking that it is. We have been on the Doordash schedule for 30 minutes. It's 7:30 p.m. So we literally just been sitting here declining orders for 30 minutes straight. This is absolutely crazy. So 7:15 after being 15 minutes in. Okay, we got another one. Hold up. We got another one. Okay. 1075.6 miles. I'm not doing none of these long distance deliveries. These field goal kick deliveries. $10.75 for 9.6 miles. So what? This is either order number 5. This is order number 6. And they must want me out here picking up bricks because ain't no way. 39%, we on our way to the bottom. I don't even care. I don't even care. I really don't, because if you don't know, Doordash is a scam, okay? You're not about to go out there and make $250 every single day. You ain't. And if you can't even consistently make $150 a day with an app, it's trash. Maybe you got a better market, it's more volume, but the fact of the matter still remains. They make you jump through too many hoops to get reasonable offer. This the first offer that's semi-reasonable right here. $4.51 for 3 miles. That ain't even a good order at all. That ain't no good order. That is not no good order, but compared to everything else I done seen, this one got the best miles to money ratio. It ain't 2, it's 1. It's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. But you know what? Look, we're gonna go ahead and take it. I'm gonna take a $4 order. I took it so I can make this video longer, you damn idiot. You think I'm making money taking an order that's paying $4? Hell no, I ain't making no motherfucking money. But guess what? When I put this video out and you click it and you hit that like button and that subscribe button, I bet you I make some money then. Know your market. Know how far things are actually away. This order said 3 miles, but it's not gonna be 3 miles. I'm less than a mile away from Chipotle. I'm literally right down the street, like 2 lights away from Chipotle, right? We're gonna pull up to Chipotle, grab this order, and then we're gonna check back in on the mileage at the time of, you know, once we leaving the merchant, we're gonna check back in and see what the actual factual delivery distance is. Because it's saying 3 miles, but it ain't gonna be 3 miles. Mark my words. Look, gotta love that drive-through pickup. Makes the delivery more, you know, more seamless. I love it.
You gotta come in next time. I'm not supposed to hand these out through the window anymore.
Oh, anymore?
Yeah,
oh, okay. Because I was finna say, I've been doing this shit for 2 years.
Stop the cap.
So don't tell me that this ain't the way, because all right, but if it's new rules, I got you.
Yeah.
We tired of playing with your ass.
No worries.
Sorry about that, man.
No, new rules is okay. It's all good.
Have a good one.
Boy, he talking about some new rules. Man, by the time I come back and pick up another order, it's gonna be all new workers. I don't care about no rules. I'm picking up a $4 order, my boy. I don't care about them rules. Them rules is for y'all. Cause when I pull up in this drive-through window, let you not give me that food, I bet you I don't move. If you want your numbers to be right, you gonna hand me that food. So I don't care what the new manager didn't say it. I don't care what the new policy is. If y'all order drive-through pickup for the mobile orders, if a regular customer pulling up and getting their order through the drive-through, damn it, I bet you I pull up too. This is what I be talking about. These merchants be thinking just because they changed their rules that means something to me. That don't mean nothing to me. If every single Chipotle in my market let me pick them things up through the drive-through, guess what? I'm picking them things up through the drive-through. I don't care. Half of these merchants make you do extra shit. They don't have a drive-through. They don't offer curbside. So the merchants that actually offer curbside pickup for the food delivery, like your Chili's, your Applebee's, your 54th Street, if they offer that curbside, that's a benefit for us Dashers, because now we don't have to waste time pulling up, finding a parking spot where it ain't no parking spots, so all the customers using them. No, we get to use the designated driver parking spot. So it's always a parking spot. We pull up, we ain't got to turn the car off. We can get that food, boom, in and out, in and out. Same thing about the mobile drive-through. You got your Chipotle, you got your Qdoba, and it's a few. KFC, they let you do it. My Jack in the Box let me do it. They let you go right through the drive-through and pick up that customer order, because the order is already being prepared before you got there. So there's no reason for you to waste extra time. There's no reason. So listen, if you ever have a merchant in your market that tell you, hey, we no longer let you pick them up through the drive-through, you gotta come in, you tell them, all right, I got you. And you finna bring this order out through the window, or we finna sit here. We finna sit here for a long time, because I don't care that you getting paid minimum wage and they telling you new rules that override the old rules. I don't care that the boss done pissed you off. I don't care about none of that. All I care about is this order paying me $4, and you need to hand me that through that drive-through window, or it might be an issue. Time right now is 7:38. I'm officially a Doordash dumbass. I've been out here for basically 40 minutes declining orders.
Bruh.
At least I ain't wasting no gas though, so there's a positive right there. But yeah, man, been out here 40 minutes, heading to my first delivery, about to make $4. Gonna have to throw $1.50 in the gas tank.
Bruh.
Yeah, man, DoorDash is trash. The whole $4 going in the gas tank, because that's the whole point of this hour. This hour is just to make gas money, because I make most of my money doing other things: grocery delivery, cargo delivery, probably finna jump to some medical supply delivery. But yeah, man, we got about 20 minutes left to get one more reasonable offer. And I say one more because really, they might send you a stack, but that's still one offer. You know what I'm saying? And when they send it to you as a stack, it might as well be as bad as one customer, because they we are 1/5 of the way to our $20 goal for this hour, y'all. It ain't looking too good. But at least we only 2 minutes away from this drop-off. I forgot to check and show y'all the mileage, but we only got 1 mile to go right now, so we good. We finna drop this off, and it's a contactless delivery. So I love it, because ain't no way I'm finna do one customer in 1 hour and they have to be in hand to me. I just have to lose my whole entire mind at that point. So let's go ahead and get this dropped off, see what we get next. Hopefully we won't have to decline too much nonsense. Should've known. Look where we at. Good old college campus. My favorite place in the whole world. Hold on, let me open this door. Number 2, what might that be? Right TV, we got it done. Let's go ahead and confirm that. Boom, boom, boom. Complete delivery. I wonder how much this customer tipped, seeing that they a college kid and all. Let's see. They tipped $2.51. You know what? I'll take it, because most college kids don't tip at all. So hey, $2.50 tip, 1 mile drive. Hey, cool. Okay, now we jamming. Okay, $6.75, 2.5 miles. I'm taking that. This the next order they sent me. I'm so happy I didn't have to decline something. Now this order has hidden tip potential, and I know some of you newer drivers might not even know what hidden tip potential mean.
What?
Well, I'm not a silver, gold, or platinum driver.
Really, nigga?
I am a regular ass driver.
Really?
So they don't show me any plus signs. They don't show me any extra nothing. They don't show me nothing. All I know is what it say on the offer screen. And that's because I don't have any status. I don't have no gold, no silver, no platinum status. So I have to look at the order amount, offer amount, and the mileage to see if there might be some hidden tips on there. Because I've never seen a plus sign on an order unless you also is accompanied by one of the banners, meaning gold, silver, or platinum. So using my 2 years of DoorDash experience, and my $6.75 order may just have some hidden tips on it. We gonna see, but at least I got my second order and I didn't have to decline nothing. Let's see, this order includes a drink. Let's see, they got 10 items. We like half a mile away. Let's get this money. So we at least gonna make $10 in this first hour. So that's good right there. You know, I was finna be kind of pissed off if I wasn't able to make at least half of the 20 bucks. You know, if they send me an add-on when I get to Sonic, then we be in business right there. Sonic and Chipotle or 2 merchants where you have a higher chance of getting the add-on. So that's always a good sign right there. But we got like 13 minutes left until my little hour is up, and I ain't got no schedule. We looking kind of busy up here at the drive-thru. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 cars in the drive-thru. No, just 3, up 4 now with them pulling in. All right, let's see how quickly we can get this off, or maybe they'll have me pull around to a pickup spot. Oh, now it's 5. Yep, now it's 5 cars. Okay. I'm picking up a Doordash order for pretzel, the Southwest loaded queso, the quarter-pound double cheeseburger. Oh my God. Limeades and lemonades. Okay, I see you. Iced tea. Damn, they got 10 items on this bad boy. This is an order right here. Them to go ahead and get it together. This line is not moving. I was hoping they was gonna run this thing out quick. It is already 7:54, man. I only got 5 minutes left on this schedule. I was able to grab me another hour at 9 p.m., but I don't even know if I'm gonna stay out here that long, to be honest. So we might not get no more orders done on this shift, but we will see. Shout out to this customer who ordering all these drinks. So you know what? It's all good because we got this right here. This is the 6-cup drink holder right here. You see, I got this side lifted up right now, but I can flip that down, and now you can hold you 6 drinks just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we only gonna need one side of this. That's why I had it flipped up like that. So we're gonna go ahead and put that back, flip that back up. I'm gonna use this side of it right here, and then we're gonna drop it right down there in a delivery bag. We ain't even get a chance to use the drink carrier, y'all. Look what they gave me. They gave me this right here, all 4 drinks right there. Technically 5 drinks. 5 drinks, y'all. Let's get this dropped off, and this shift is gonna be over with. But we still gotta see if it's any hidden tips on this order. So this order is gonna have to get taken up in parts because of the drinks. Let me take this up first, and then I'll come back for those. Really gotta grab this mug from the bottom. These drinks didn't even need my drink carrier. Moment of truth, 7:50. I knew it was gonna be some hidden tips. Check it out. Oh, it went away. But I got a screenshot though. I knew it. That's what's up. Right there. Even if you ain't a platinum, a gold, or a silver driver, DoorDash still hide them tips. Y'all check this out. I got a quick screenshot before my dash ended. $77.50. It showed me $6.75, and the order ended up going up by 75 cents, which ain't a lot. It ain't make or break, but it does basically prove what I said, right? That if they don't show you a silver, gold, or platinum banner, then they're gonna hide the tip. It has a possibility for it to go up. This order had no plus sign. It said $6.75 for 2 point whatever miles. You know what? Cool. But me being a seasoned DoorDash driver, being a veteran out here, knowing what I'm doing, I was able to tell by the signs of the mileage, the payout, and where I was picking up from, and then especially how many items it had. It had 10 items. Now, yes, 5 of them was drinks, but still, though, most customers tip based off of how much stuff they order, and not necessarily by percentage, but based off of how many items they order, and you know, depending on not if that makes the total go up a certain amount. 50 plus 4, we made $11, y'all. Let's go. We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking for too much. They're asking for too much. Pick up the order, drop it off. That's all you got to do. And we only pay the drivers $2. So what?